The universe's secret color is coffee. Cosmic Latte explained. Welcome to FactSpark, where we ignite your curiosity with mind-blowing facts about the universe. What color is the universe? If you're picturing deep dark black with a sprinkle of sparkling stars, you're not wrong, but you're also not entirely right. Because if we could somehow mix all the light from every galaxy, every star, every cosmic dust cloud across the entire cosmos, the universe would actually be a color you might recognize from your morning coffee run. That's right, the average color of the universe has an official, surprisingly delicious-sounding name, Cosmic Latte, and it's a fascinating space fact that blends cutting-edge science, a bit of whimsical human creativity, and a whole lot of light years. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're diving into the universe's signature shade, a color that's anything but boring beige. So, how did scientists actually figure this out? Back in the early 2000s, a brilliant team of astronomers, Karl Glazebrook and Ivan Baldry, at Johns Hopkins University, were on a completely different mission. They were actually studying star formation, meticulously looking at the light from over 200,000 galaxies. Think of it like taking a giant cosmic paint sample. They collected all the light, analyzed its cosmic spectrum, basically what wavelengths and colors were present, and then computationally averaged it all out. Initially, in 2002, their calculations suggested a greenish-white hue, but after correcting some flawed data, the true average emerged in 2003, a slightly beigeish white. Not exactly galaxy glam, right? More like interstellar oatmeal. Now here's where the universe gets a little more relatable. When they announced this corrected discovery, Glazebrook jokingly asked for name suggestions from the public, with one hilarious condition. All were welcome as long as they were not beige. And the internet being the internet delivered. We had contenders like Astronomer Almond, Skyvery, and Cosmic Khaki. But the winning name suggested by a researcher named Peter Drum was the now iconic Cosmic Latte. Why latte? Well, latte means milk in Italian, a subtle nod to Galileo's native language and even our own Milky Way galaxy, which is called Via Lattea in Italian. Plus, the scientists candidly admitted they were a little caffeine biased. It's a perfect blend of rigorous scientific discovery and charming human personality. Here's another mind-bending fact that adds even more depth to our cosmic canvas. The universe's color isn't static. It actually changes over time. Billions of years ago, when the universe was much younger and most stars were massive, hot, and blue, the universe was a significantly bluer shade. But as these colossal blue stars aged, they evolved, becoming yellower, and eventually redder giants. This grand stellar evolution means the universe has been slowly shifting from blue towards red for the past 10 billion years. However, from our vantage point here on Earth, as light from those younger, bluer, more distant galaxies finally reaches our telescopes, the perceived average color tends towards pure white. It's like looking back in time, catching a glimpse of the universe's vibrant baby photos before it settled into its creamy latte phase. So the next time you sip your favorite latte, take a moment to remember, you're practically holding the color of the universe in your hands. A warm, creamy beige that tells a grand story of billions of stars, a dash of scientific humor, and an ever-evolving cosmos that's always full of surprises. What other cosmic facts blow your mind? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through space and color, hit that like button. Subscribe for more mind-bending science facts, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.